Selecting the right niche for your YouTube channel is crucial for success. It sets the tone for your content and attracts the right audience. In 2024, exploring untapped niches can lead to profitable opportunities as you stand out in a less saturated market. Today, we'll delve into 10 unique and untapped niches that have the potential to skyrocket your channel's growth and revenue. Stay tuned as we reveal these exciting niche ideas that could be the game changer for your YouTube journey. Niche 1. Virtual reality travel experiences. Virtual reality is revolutionizing the travel industry, offering viewers immersive experiences from the comfort of their homes. By creating captivating VR travel content, you can transport your audience to exotic destinations and unique landscapes. Tips for success include using high-quality 360-degree cameras, incorporating interactive elements, and focusing on storytelling. Monetization opportunities abound through sponsorships with travel brands, partnerships with VR technology companies, and collaborations with tourism boards. Get ready to embark on a virtual journey like never before. Niche 2. Sustainable fashion DIYs. With the increasing focus on sustainability and eco-conscious living, the demand for sustainable fashion content is on the rise. By showcasing DIY projects that promote upcycling and repurposing clothing items, you can attract an audience passionate about ethical fashion choices. Share creative and budget-friendly ways to transform old garments into trendy pieces. Explore affiliate marketing opportunities by partnering with sustainable fashion brands, promoting their products, and earning commissions. Join the movement towards a more sustainable and stylish future. Niche 3. Urban gardening for small spaces. Urban gardening has become a popular trend among city dwellers looking to bring greenery into their limited spaces. Share tips on maximizing small areas through vertical gardening techniques and creative container gardening solutions. Provide practical advice on choosing the right plants, optimizing sunlight exposure, and maintaining a thriving urban garden. Consider affiliate partnerships with gardening equipment companies to showcase tools and products that enhance the urban gardening experience. Transform your small space into a lush oasis with these urban gardening tips. Niche 4. Mindful parenting in the digital age. In today's digital era, mindful parenting is essential to navigate the challenges of technology use and ensure healthy family dynamics. Emphasize the importance of setting boundaries and fostering meaningful connections with your children amidst screen time distractions. Share practical strategies for promoting a balanced approach to technology use while prioritizing quality family interactions. Collaborate with child development experts to provide valuable insights and expert advice on mindful parenting practices. Join us on this journey to cultivate mindful and intentional parenting in the digital age. Niche 5. Retro gaming reviews and collectibles. Step into the world of nostalgia with retro gaming reviews and collectibles on your YouTube channel. Dive into the golden era of gaming by reviewing classic titles, sharing gameplay experiences, and showcasing rare gaming collectibles that appeal to vintage gaming enthusiasts. Engage with retro gaming communities to build a dedicated fan base and explore cross-promotion opportunities. Join us as we rediscover the magic of retro gaming and unlock the potential for a profitable YouTube channel in this thriving niche. Niche 6. Plant-based nutrition for athletes. Discover the power of plant-based nutrition for optimizing athletic performance on your dedicated YouTube channel. Delve into the benefits of plant-based diets in enhancing endurance, recovery, and overall fitness levels for athletes. Create engaging meal prep tutorials and nutritious recipe videos tailored to meet the specific dietary requirements of active individuals. Collaborate with fitness influencers and nutrition experts to provide credible insights and expand your channel's reach. Elevate your game with plant-based nutrition and fuel your athletic journey to success. Niche 7. Sustainable home renovation ideas. Transform your living space with sustainable home renovation projects showcased on your niche YouTube channel. Emphasize the significance of eco-friendly home improvements in reducing carbon footprint and creating a healthier living environment. Feature engaging DIY renovation tutorials that demonstrate the use of sustainable materials and energy-efficient solutions. Collaborate with green home product brands for sponsored content to introduce viewers to innovative and eco-conscious home improvement options. Join us on a journey towards a more sustainable and stylish living space with these inspiring renovation ideas. Niche 8. Mental health and wellness for students. Support student mental health and wellness on your YouTube channel by addressing the unique challenges faced by students today. provide valuable resources, coping strategies, mindfulness exercises, and self-care tips to help students navigate stress, anxiety, and academic pressures. Collaborate with mental health professionals to offer expert insights, guidance, and support for maintaining emotional well-being. Empower students to prioritize their mental health and cultivate a positive mindset for a successful academic journey. Join us in promoting mental health awareness and wellness among students. In conclusion, we've explored 10 untapped niches for profitable YouTube channels in 2024, ranging from virtual reality travel experiences to sustainable fashion DIYs, urban gardening, mindful parenting, retro gaming, plant-based nutrition for athletes, sustainable home renovation, mental health and wellness for students, and more. Encourage viewers to delve deeper into these niches, conduct research, and consider venturing into these exciting opportunities. Don't miss out on the chance to carve your niche in the YouTube landscape. Subscribe, like, and share for more niche ideas and inspiration.